Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Veloster door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your car is turned off and the window is completely down. This provides better access and prevents accidental damage. Take a moment to locate all the visible screws and understand where the hidden clips might be. This preparation makes the removal process much smoother. Next, we'll focus on detaching the fasteners. Begin by removing the screws found in the door handle and armrest. Often, there are small plastic covers concealing additional screws. Use your trim tool to gently pry these off. Once exposed, unscrew any remaining fasteners. Work slowly and methodically to avoid stripping screws or damaging the plastic components. Keep track of where each screw came from. Now it's time to separate the panel from the door. Insert your trim removal tool into the gap at the bottom edge of the door panel. Gently pry outwards to release the first few clips. Continue working your way around the entire perimeter, releasing all the clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to disengage it from the window channel. For the final steps, you'll need to disconnect the remaining components. First, detach the door handle cable from its connection point on the panel. Then, unplug all electrical connectors for the window switches, door lock, and any other lights or speakers. These usually have small tabs you press to release. Once everything is disconnected, carefully set the door panel aside in a safe, clean place to prevent any damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.